How to fix Wi-Fi not connecting issues in Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. First of all, on off Wi-Fi. Open settings, click on connections. Now here you will see Wi-Fi. Now on off Wi-Fi. Now go back. After that, turn on or turn off flight mode. Open setting, click on connections. Now here you will see flight mode, and if you want to turn on, then turn on this button. After turning on this button, flight mode will be turned on from your phone. And if you want to turn off, then turn off this button. After turning off this button, flight mode will be turned off from your phone. Now go back. After that, restart device. Swipe down, open quick setting panel. Click on power off button icon. Click on restart. Again click on restart. Restart your phone. Now go back. After that, reset network settings. Open settings. Scroll down. Click on general management. Click on reset. Click on reset mobile network settings. Click on reset settings. After click on reset settings, mobile network settings will be reset from your phone. Now go back. After that, software update. Open settings. Scroll down. Click on software update. Click on download and install. Now here you will see update option, and if you want to update software, then click on update. After click on update, your phone software will be updated from your phone. This is how you can fix Wi-Fi not connecting issues in Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. I hope you like this video, and thanks for watching this video.